Look! Our smart superhero bird is ready, and the giant shrimp is way out there past 10 icy challenges. He spots it. That shrimp looks huge, tasty, and totally worth the risk.
Challenge 1, the Cracked Ice Bridge. One step wrong, and whoosh!
Uh-oh, he freezes. He's thinking, which ice is safe to stand on? Tap, tap, he listens closely. The deeper sound means thicker ice. Careful steps, slow and steady. He picks the strong patches like a pro. Tiny hop. He lands softly. No slipping, no cracking. Nice balance. Yes, he's across. And look, another challenge appears ahead. From above, 3 icy gates show up with mysterious shapes to solve. Challenge 2, the Symbol Gates. 3 doors, but only one is safe. He studies the floor grid. Shapes repeat in a pattern. Can you see it? Aha! One spot looks wrong. That is the clue. Smart eyes, superhero. He chooses the correct gate. Bold and confident. No turning back. Made it, and whoa! Sharp ice spikes are waiting next. Flycam peak. The ceiling spikes drop in rhythm. Timing is everything. Challenge 3, falling ice spikes. Step in and keep your head down. He watches, counting the drops. 1, 2, 1, 2, and a tricky one. He maps the safe zigzag in his mind. Fast feet, calm brain. Run! Slide behind cover, spike drops, woo! That was close. Now he dashes to the middle cover, right on the beat. He escapes the spikes, and a sneaky tile puzzle appears next. Flycam peak. Tiny notches mark the safe steps. Spot them before you move. Challenge 4. The floor is a puzzle. Step wrong and it dips. He finds tiny notches, like secret footprints in the ice. He tests one wrong tile gently. Just a tiny dip. No panic. Step on the notch, then zigzag. He is solving it like a game. One more notch step. And he is almost across. Puzzle solved. Now a windy canyon with jump pads, oh boy. Flycam peak. 5 pads across a windy canyon. Jump at the calm moments. Challenge 5. Wait for the quiet wind, then jump to the first pad. He listens. Swell dip, swell dip. He is counting the wind. He is smart. He jumps only when the wind whispers, not when it roars. Go, 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 quiet wind. 2 jumps in a row. He keeps the rhythm. Pad 4, pad 5, and land. He made it! And now 3 doors with dot clues. Which one opens? Flycam peak. Match the dots on the floor to the door. One choice is the key. Challenge 6 starts. 3 dot plates and 3 matching doors. Look! The dots on the floor match the dots on the doors. Easy clue. He chooses the 3-dot lane, but will it really open? Step on the matching dots, and the right door will lift like magic.
Yes. The 3-dot door opens. Run, little hero, run!
Challenge 6 cleared. Uh-oh, 3 gates that open and slam. Timing time!
Fly cam peek. Watch the gates. Open, close, open. You have to run on the beat.
Challenge 7. The gates snap shut. Run only when they open. He watches the pattern. 1, 2, half beat. Now he knows. If he hesitates, the gate closes. So he must go on the open beat.
Go! Gate 1 is open. Dash through before it shuts. He slips through gate 2, then waits 1 beat for the last gate. He made it! And now, 3 arches with shapes. Circle, triangle, square. Choose wisely. Challenge 8. 3 shapes. But look, there's a little groove pointing the way. He's not guessing. He's reading the clue on the floor. Circle and square look tempting, but the clue points straight to triangle. He follows the groove straight to the triangle path. Step on the triangle tile, and the big door lifts, yes! Puzzle solved. But now, a big crevasse with tiny stepping columns. Careful jumps. Fly cam view. Count the columns. 5 tiny steps across a huge icy gap. Challenge 9. 1, 2, 5 tiny columns. He must plan every jump.
He spots the zigzag path. Center, left, right, left, right.
Deep breath, eyes on the first column, and jump! Landing! Now he hops left. He's keeping the zigzag exactly. 2 more jumps, right, then left. He's almost across. He made it! But the final door is a pad sequence, and the shrimp is right there! Fly cam peek. 4 pads in a row, and the tallest wall bar matches the biggest count. Final challenge. 4 pads, and that shrimp is so close. See the wall bars? Short to tall. That's the order. No skipping. 1, 2, 3, 4, step by step. First pad, click. Now straight to the second. Third pad, 4th pad, and listen, something's unlocking. He did it! The dome rises, and the giant shrimp is finally free. Look at him! 10 challenges, 10 wins, and he stayed super smart the whole time.